brakes are down enough, we go. We're going to pull away, and you are going to drive away or you're going to get hit really hard. 87, looking to put it in reverse. 78, saying on the reverse number view, I'm going to turn around and see it coming. 87, eyeing up in the corner. Oh, no! Oh, he put the pedal down to the end, the bottom of the floor. He got out of the way. It's no man's land. You know, it's fun to see even with the two cars. Get the blankets up, spin them high, spin them low, spin around the middle of the ring, and here we go. Time to play Demolition Derby. Time to give a hit, take a hit. Lots of room out there. They're lining up. Oh, the 78's going to go back to back with the wagon. Oh, my. The grocery just went from the trunk to the back seat. Look at my truck, 78, around and around we go. We're going to pick our spots. We're going to hit you high, we're going to hit you low, we're going to hit you on the sides, and then we're going to send you back to the grocery store to get more groceries for your grocery getter. We're under the counter. You got to get her moving. You got to get her hitting. 60 seconds to play. Bumping the wind and sliding, driving 87. Has to make competitive hits. And it looks like an axle's broke. When you see the wheels hop like that, that just doesn't mean they're a Ford. It means that the axle's broke. Okay? Yes. Hopping along, hopping along. Hit him like you mean it. Now you got Make some noise, Grandvally, if you like that! Oh yeah! He's like, oh my! I'm trying to turn the gas on, turn it off. That's what happens when you drive around and think you're having fun. Because out of nowhere comes a punishing blow. 87 trying to get it going.
She went down.
Hit him one more time. We're playing Demolition Derby here.
Come on, Jake.
You already took the front of the car off. Might as well take the back end off now. Go hit him. Hit him. Take the groceries and take him down to the grocery store. Go get him. He can hit him. Don't worry about it. He won't hurt him. Oh my. They're best friends.